Bosele Primary School and the Northside Primary School cooperation over the years. Around 9 years ago, Mrs. Laverick took her students from Northside Primary School to read with Bosele students, a local school just 10 minutes away from Northside. It was wonderful to see Northside and Bosele students reading together. Bosele School doesn't have a library, and it was wonderful to see the students enjoying reading. We also invited Bosele students to Northside. Northside students raised money to buy stationery for Bosele students. With the generous help of Artswana, we managed to give out pencils, rubbers, and pencil sharpeners to more than 500 students at Bosele. Northside students prepared an assembly for Bosele students, read famous quotes, and also donated lots of books. One of the students, Henry, he met with Mr. Mapete, the principal of Bosele, and he wanted to find out what would be the best to donate to Bosele. He found out that stationery like pencils, rubbers, pencil sharpeners were the most needed. So Henry raised money. His parents doubled what he did raise, and then we went to Artswana and bought lots of pencils and sharpeners and rubbers and gave them out to more than 500 students at Bosele School. And you can see here's Henry shaking hands with the principal, Mr. Mapete. Over the years, we've donated lots of books to Bosele, and the principal said, wouldn't it be wonderful if we could build a small room, a library for Bosele, because we don't have space to store the books that you've donated to us. And that idea started to grow, and Mr. Mapete asked the local council for the permission to build, and then with help of different donors, he managed to build a library. We've also helped a lot. As you can see here, is the library roof not finished. And I remember that was a big problem, and Mr. Mapete said, we don't have enough money to finish it, and it was just before the rainy season. And then with help of some wonderful people, we managed to cover the roof. And here are the lovely people who donated money. I'm sure you remember Mrs. Bazendenhout and one of a parent as well. Thank you. The next stage of the library was to invite an architect and to discuss what we would like to see inside. Again, we had lots of helpers and volunteers. Mrs. McCambridge and her class, they went to Bosele and did some PE lessons using some of our amazing resources. Our standard 6 students created some amazing games for Bosele students, and this was all part of the PYP exhibition, taking action in local community, helping others. Mrs. McCambridge was very passionate about education and helping others, and she invited Bosele teachers to our school. As you can see here, they're sitting in our staff room and discuss and share best practice, how to teach English. We as a school received a certificate of appreciation from Bosele School for helping them to build the library. And this cooperation hasn't finished. Still before COVID, we used to go to Bosele and read books with their students. Then there was the big day, the official opening of the Bosele Library. As you can see, everybody was very busy covering the books and preparing the room for the students. Here you can see the busy place, the books on the shelves, students engaged, happy, reading and sharing stories. Here Mrs. Ali reading a story to Bosele and Northside students in one of our learning sessions. Also Standard 6 students during the PYP exhibition, presenting their projects, sharing them with Bosele students. And then the library, you can see here, was painted. However, after some years, it looked a little bit, the paint didn't look great, so we decided to paint it, to give it a facelift. We were very excited, and Mrs. Van Zyl was our creative director. She designed the wall using Bosele's colors, which are grey and green. Here, happy helpers, as you can see, Mrs. Taylor, Mrs. Bogart, Mrs. Van Zyl, and Mrs. Chauhan. We were so happy that we managed to do that in one morning on a Saturday. And the wall looks absolutely beautiful. Imagine on a Monday when the students came back to school to Bosele and suddenly they saw this beautiful, inviting and happy wall. They were so excited. I received lots of messages from the teachers saying thank you. And they all were super, super grateful. And they said, thank you, Northside, for all that you've done and for keeping this cooperation alive for so many years. And we're hoping to continue it into the future. Thank you to all the students, teachers, and parents who contributed in any way to this amazing project.
Yeah.